Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 6 minutes. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time, compared to having already recorded everything and now coming back and doing some sort of trade recap or post commentary. So if that's what you're looking for, you're not going to get that here. But if you are open to the idea or just flat out want to see an unscripted, nitty gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. So I will go ahead and pause for now and I'll be back at the open. All right, gonna look for some puts here at 650. All right, actually, I bet I can get 550 with the way this thing's acting. I'm also watching NVIDIA, which in all actuality seems a bit more interesting compared to Tesla. Crazy movement still. Gapped up, came down, all the way back up. And now it's looking like it's coming back down. So this is also what makes Tesla interesting, right down there around 10:02. In fact, I'm going to get that alerted here. 10:02. Very interesting level if it comes back into play for the bears. 1 minute. So right there, just show you in case you're wondering, hey Clay, how does your chat room work? So there you go. 10:02, very interesting level if it comes back into play for the bears. So we'll, and it's looking like it might be coming back into play. In fact, I think it's going to come. Oh wow, I didn't get filled there. Wow, that moved so fast. Goodness. Okay. All right. Well, let's do this then. If this thing comes down to 996, I'm interested. So I'm going to throw out an order for these calls at 950. Sort of a guess because I'm not quite sure where the price of the options would be at that point, but let's see what happens. I will go ahead and pause. All right, have an order at 9 here. Actually, at this point, I'm going to go to 850. Okay, got those. And out there for a quick 250. If you blinked, you missed it, but that's how these work. Sniper shots, that is. So yes, you might have to scroll back, but I was in. And then 4 seconds later, I was out. And that's not an exaggeration because you can see my times right there. But in and out in 4 seconds for $250. So just a quick sniper shot. So let's see if I can get another one here. These ones take patience because you can't just rush into them. Wow, NVIDIA. Just getting destroyed. But on Tesla here, yeah, let's call it 91-ish would be the next key level that I'd be interested in. So throw an order out there at 650. I may have to adjust that one, but right now just playing the guessing game a bit. But again, I'm interested in Tesla, the stock itself. I want to see this get down around that 991 mark. So I will go ahead and pause for now. But yeah, nice start off up $250. All right, I think this one has a good chance of potentially rolling over. So trying to pick up some right here at 950. I'm rushing that one. I think I can get better. So that one's canceled out. Because I've been eyeballing this 10:05 mark. which I need to stick with. So I have an order at $7 for some puts. So Tesla will need to come up a bit more. I don't know, maybe this costs me the trade. And if it does, so be it. Nice thing about being green is, worst case, by being extra picky, if I don't get the trade, oh well, I mean, I'm still up $250. So always remember that perspective as a trader. If you're green, well then be extra picky. I mean, what's the worst case? You miss out on the trade and you're still, so always something to keep in mind. Okay, I will go ahead and pause for now, but if it looks like I'm going to get the move in my favor upwards here, I'll get the video rolling. All right, trying to get filled here at 8. Might have been a bit too slow. Let's see if it wants to push up there. All right, need to cancel that out here because this could kind of, I feel like, go any direction at this point. So let's go to 650. Okay, so pushing through a bit. Again, I'm at 650, so Tesla needs to come up a tad bit more. So I definitely played it right to cancel that order out. Okay, it's approaching, potentially filling me. Again, I need it to come up a tad bit more. Okay, at this point, 625. Like I said earlier, you got to be extra picky with these. Hey, just go read out loud some more, okay? I'm on homeschooling duty right now. I have a couple of my kids up north at an investment property we have in northern Michigan. My couple oldest stayed down. So I'm day trading, trying to do some homeschooling. Okay, here we go, maybe. Okay, and so now let's see what this thing wants to do here. Gonna need to get down below 1008 if I'm gonna have a chance. Oh, I was so close. I was on the best offer. And there we go. And that sniper shot complete for another 250. I'm not sure if I don't know if the mic was picking up my kids, but if it does, well, yeah, sorry, but not sorry. It kind of just goes with the territory here. So there we go, 9:51. So 21 minutes in, up 500. $500 a day keeps the day job away. But probably done, but I'm not going to commit to that because if Tesla somehow wants to keep this ridiculous move right now heading up, then I would be interested in Tesla around 1016. So got a ways to go, but like I said, if it does want to actually get up to 1016, then I would once again be interested in potentially another sniper shot here. But first got to see if it wants to get up there. So I'll give it a couple more moments to see if it wants to move up there. And if it does, well, wow, okay. Maybe it's going to get up there quicker than I thought. All right, well, let's keep it rolling right now because we are moving very quickly. Okay, all right, 650. Oh, wow, I was on the best bid there for a split second. So let's go to 575 now. See if we can get a bit more higher. So I'm at 575, but yeah, sort of missed that. Look at that, 1016 and then pulling back right there. but another opportunity potentially up around more so the 10-20 mark. So let's see if it wants to get up there, but I will pause for now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. It's 9:56, so not even 30 minutes in. And for those of you that are maybe new to the channel, I do what's called the be done in 30 approach, where ideally I'm looking to be done on average 30 minutes. Now I say on average because some days I'll go above 30 minutes, other days I'm well below 30 minutes. But today, basically right at 30 minutes. And you might be asking, which is a valid question, Clay, why are you done? I mean, the market's open a lot longer than 30 minutes. Good question. And the reason for that is at this point in my life, as a father of 5 kids, I want to be involved and I want to have freedom of time to do whatever I want. So if that's helping, with homeschooling, if that's just spending time with them, if that's working on my real estate, my teaching business at claytrader.com, I just seek freedom of time. Now, if you're doing trading because you want a Lamborghini, you want a private jet, cool, go for it. No judgments from me. I hope you accomplish those goals. But like I said, in my junction of life, my goal is freedom of time. And if I can put $500 in my pocket in 30 minutes, I mean, I'm not a greedy savage. To me, that is a mind-blowing situation when you actually stop and think about it. I realize, and I suffer from this too, you can look around social media and see people making really, really big amounts of money. And then it's tempting to say, geez, I didn't really do that well. But wait a minute. Again, when you frame it in the way of, really? $500 in 30 minutes sitting from the comfort of my own home, pressing buttons, when you frame it that way, it doesn't seem so bad. So, kind of a little trick that I've learned to use on myself over the years, because I'm just like you. I can fall into the temptation of looking around social media and seeing people make very big amounts of money. And again, good for them. I'm not bad mouthing them. I'm just saying it kind of distorts my view on reality on, I don't know, was today even that good of a day? And, it just can, it helps me out to just structure it in a way of, look at it. How much did you make via time? Even if, let's say I made $50, really? $50 in 30 minutes? I challenge you to go up to somebody that makes minimum wage and then tell that person that you're disappointed about making $50 in 30 minutes. That person is going to look at you like you are the greediest person they've ever come across. So just, keep that in mind with whatever your results may be, because when you stop and think about it, if you look at it from a time standpoint, it's very, very crazy. But that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these videos, if you would like for me to continue to make more of them, then please help me out with a couple of quick things. Hit that like button, leave a simple comment below, say hello. Tell me what you traded today. Tell me what you're watching in the future. But those two things communicate to me that you enjoy. And as long as I know people are enjoying these live trade videos, then I will continue to make them. So yeah, $500 a day keeps the day job away. Got that. Closing right at 30 minutes on the day. And I'm going to move on with my day. Enjoy the freedom of time. And again, whatever your goal is, I hope you get it. Everybody take care. Have a good one. All right. I know I said that I was done, but as soon as I stopped the recording, this move has popped up here. So picked up a few contracts here at 350. And out there for $175. So there we go. One more quick little sniper shot. That lasted, I don't know, what do you want to call it? 30 seconds. So now up $675, and just from a time perspective, it's 10:01. So technically speaking, I went 1 minute over the average goal that I wanted. But if I go a minute over for an extra $175 in my pocket, I'm going to go ahead and take that. But yes, I'm officially done. My kids keep coming and asking me what they need to do next for school. So yes, I'm officially done. Thanks for hanging out. Again, hit that like button. Leave a simple comment down below. Everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.